Thank you for buying a Flamemaster grid holder. They come in this flat pack. Inside this pouch you will find the assembly instructions. You'll also find a little plastic bag with all the wing nuts, washers and R-clips required to assemble the grid holder. So let's open the pack. We take out all the parts, just put them nicely on the table, arrange them nicely on the table. Here you go. Then we start with the back plate and the two legs. The legs go through these two holes on the side. The nuts protruding, the bolts protruding. Sorry, not the nuts, but the bolts. Then you use your wing nuts. To tighten the two legs. So we have the bottom basically fixed. Then we bring this plate for the adjustment, the adjusting plate. Put those two nuts into the holes, the bolts. On goes the wing nuts. Tighten them, fingers. Then we go to the side plates. These bolts must be projecting to the outside, like that. Put on the wing nuts. Turn it around. There you go. Then we start with the horizontal bar. We take the horizontal bar. Make sure that this adjustment lever is at the bottom of the fitting to the bar. We take the grid holder cups. Install them with the openings to the inside. We take the other grid holder cup, put it on the horizontal bar, just tighten it slightly. Then we take this adjustment bar, put it into the adjusting back plate. Then we put in a washer, R-clip, washer, R-clip, and there you go. The fully assembled Flamemaster grid holder. You can just make sure that everything is tightened. Don't use a plier or pliers, just use your hands, because if you want to disassemble it, you can use your hands to disassemble it, and there you are. You can go from horizontal to almost vertical to adjust your grid. You can move it towards the fire, away from the fire. You can place it around the fire. So the temperature that comes onto your whatever you're grilling is absolutely controllable. And there you go. Enjoy your Flame Master grid holder. Have fun.